Away they go. Scarab from the outside, Friendly Venture. Moving up, stand by our man down on the inside, Awesome Ashley. Unopposed Interceptor and the favorite, Bagong Silang, is running at the tail of the field by about 8 or 9 lengths of the leader. Stand by your man, followed by Scarab, Friendly Venture. Awesome Ashley is racing forward by some 4 lengths and moving up is unopposed Interceptor and the favorite Bagong Silang still running at the back of the pack. Stand by your man by a length and a half. Scarab. And rising up now is unopposed down on the inside, Friendly Venture, Interceptor, and Awesome Ashley as they race the final corner. Stand by your man, this time by some 3 lengths. Scarab in second. Unopposed by the Friendly Venture, Interceptor, Awesome Ashley, and Bagong Silang still running at the tail of the field. Entering the finish line, stand by your man. And finally, stand by your man. Interceptor, Scarab, Unopposed, Awesome Ashley, Friendly Venture, and Bagong Silang comes last.
Okay, 5, 6, 7.